And today we're gonna do I Ready Reading.
Start lesson.
We're gonna start this lesson. Describe
Start
connections between
Start lesson.
steps. Clap today, yay!
I've been wondering, why do people seem to warm up a cold room? Maybe this text will help us find out.
Heating Up with Body Heat by Kimberly Feltz Taylor.
Before you read, do you know what the word generate means? If you do, tap the answer. If you don't, tap the question mark to learn more.
I don't know. Let's click the question mark just to learn more.
If you generate something, you make or create it. For example, hot water can generate or create steam. Are you ready to read Heating Up with Body Heat? Let's go.
Hold your hands tightly together. Do you feel them getting warmer? That is because of body heat. Your body always gets off heat, even when you sleep. Most of this heat escapes into air. What if we collect? When you collect something, you gather it up.
Recoger. Cuando se recoge, se reúne y se guarda. Recoger. Cuando se recoge, recoger.
Recoger. Recoger. Recoger. If you wanted to see the picture closely, it looks like this. Let's see the tides. Now, get it.
What have scientists figured out? Complete the sentence.
Why isn't a question mark and like this? I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Why isn't it like this? Because they were asking a question and they were shouting. For real, just for real, time to teleport.
What have scientists figured out? Complete the sentence. Scientists have figured out how to That's right. What makes the most heat?
What makes the most heat? A crowd of people. Of course.
Good thinking.
What did scientists do first to collect body heat?
Guys, you might think of me have a sore throat. That's why I'm drinking Arrowhead water. I'm gonna drink it. Just give me a couple seconds. I'm almost done with it. Time to go back to iWriting.
What did scientists do first to collect body heat? No, that's not the one. What happened first? Not that. What did scientists want to find?
Correct.
Bun bun bow mow. Mow. Meow, meow, meow. Pants old here.
Here's how body heat is collected from a crowd. Step 1. People move through the station. Step 2. Each person gives off body heat. Step 3. All this body heat warms up the air in the station. Step 4. Big fans suck the warm air out and into pipes. Step 5. The warm air travels through the pipes to tanks below the station. How do we use this body heat? Scientists had a plan. This diagram shows how body heat is collected from a train station in Sweden.
Read the first and next steps for collecting body heat. What happens last? Add the last step to the chart. People's body heat goes into the air. The warm air gets sucked up into pipes.
Guys, I'm sorry for me taking that long because my family, they kept on following me. I was trying to work and show you guys what I am doing, but then everyone followed me. Sorry for that.
Oh, not that one. What happens to the warm air? Try again.
I didn't like that annoying thing because I did not need no help. And then everyone, they're like, I'm just gonna come here
That's
for
it.
no reason. They wouldn't ask me what they wanted. And yeah.
Heating up water. Body heat from people in the train station is used to heat water. Here's how it happens. Step 1. Body heat is inside the pipes. Step 2. The pipes are inside the tanks.
Step 3.
Water flows around the pipes in the tanks.
Step 4.
Body heat in the pipes heats up the water. Water warmed by body heat flows into a building.
How does body heat warm water? Complete the sentence.
Guys, I haven't checked my minutes in a long time. I'm gonna go check it.
Are you sure?
66 minutes.
Completed work.
Let's see how much I have
Math.
on math. I have 66 minutes, guys, on reading.
Math.
I mean reading. I have 122 minutes. That's a lot. Completed work. This is also good. Nah, we're not doing math. We're doing reading. Time to go. I'm already reading, yo. Having a flow. No.
How does body heat warm
How does
water?
body heat warm water?
Complete the
Complete the
sentence.
sentence. Flori, are you mocking yourself? Because you're saying that. And you're saying that again, right? So
No.
I don't think
Let's
you
think
should mock
this through.
yourself. Like,
What does the water do?
like that. Speaking of that, I just kind of want to see closer. So the body heat goes down, and then the water flows. Hot water goes here. Okay, well then that's good. Time to go back to iReady mode in real life. I may be done so early.
You figured it out.
Well, ba-da. Darn. But we still need to get 2K.
Heating
up
a
the
building. The heated water moves through underground pipes into an office building. The warm water gives off heat. This heat warms the air in the building.
And that's it for today. Bye everyone, see you next video!